The Pillars is an event that we hold every year to celebrate, honor, and recognize the church workers. They are the true backbone of the church. Each and every one of them is precious, not just in the sight of God, but precious to us. We believe with all of our hearts that Cornerstone will not be where it is today, if not for the wonderful service and commitment of these amazing people.
Ayan, diba? So, hahanap kayo ng mga workers na deserve yung award na iyan.
Tama, pati nga sa mata nilalagyan na eh. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Wala na.
Na-enjoy ko yung buong araw po kasi nagkasama-sama kami, yung mga hindi ko kilala na nakikilala ko. And then mas talagang pag nagsama-sama kayo, talagang maano yung unity nyo pag si Lord talaga yung kasama nyo sa buong araw.
Show us your move! Show us your move! Yun, no? Grabing energy!
Grabe, napakasasaya ng ating mga workers. I really appreciate them. Sobrang-sobra yung pinapakita yung energy kanina pa lang sa simula.
As more than 10 years na sa ministry, I'm so thankful and grateful sa Lord dahil alam ko patuloy niya akong ginagamit sa mga ministries na meron tayo sa Cornerstone.
One goal, one cause.
I believe na worth it ang lahat po ng challenges at saka po ng sacrifices at effort na binigay para po dito.
I hope po sa mga taong darating pa, sama-sama tayo na sundin at lakaran ang panawagan ng Panginoon. God bless you po.
People who knew us from our past can say, hindi dapat gawin niya o hindi dapat gawin niya yung ginagawa niya. But you know what? We thank God because we do not use the lens of those people. Amen? We use the lens of God.
Even with our failures, even with our inadequacies, even with our weaknesses, you want the perfection of Christ to be made manifest through us.